Hello guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. In today's video I am gonna show you how to install GSI ROMs in Realme X3 and X3 Super Zoom which are running on Android 12, and I hope you guys already read the notes. So let's start the video. So you need to download 4 files for installing GSI ROMs in your Realme X3 and X3 Super Zoom device. First 2 files in your PC and other 2 files in your device internal storage. In your PC you need to download GSI ROM file and other one is VVMeter 2.0. All the links in the description box so you can download it easily. GSI ROM file in zip format, so extract it, then you will get a GSI ROM image file. Now cut the 2 files and paste it into platform tools folder. Now I'll show you my device currently on which version. Let's go into settings and in about phone section. Here you can check my device running on C06 RUI 2.0. Now you need to download a file C06 devload zip. Link in the description box and paste it into internal storage. Now reboot your device into recovery mode. After rebooting your device into recovery mode, flash the C06 devload zip file. Select and swipe to install it. After successfully installation, press on home button, then go to format data section, type yes and click on OK to format the data. After formatting the data, press on home button, then go to Orange Fox recovery other option and click on reboot, then fast boot. Now your device will boot in fast boot mode. After booting into fast boot mode, open the command prompt from platform tools folder. Now type first command fastboot devices for confirming that your device is connected successfully. If this type of random numbers appears, means your device is connected successfully. Now type second command for flashing GSI img file. Type fastboot flash system, then give space and drag the GSI img file into command prompt, then press enter button. After flashing GSI ROM img file, you need to reboot your device into recovery mode. Click on reboot, then click on recovery and swipe it. After rebooting your device into recovery mode, you need to transfer permissive zip file into internal storage of your device. Now cut the file and open my computer. Then Paste it into internal storage of your Android device. Now select permissive zip file and swipe to install it. After installation complete, go back and go to format data section, then type yes and format the data. After formatting the data, go to the reboot section and click on bootloader to boot your device into bootloader interface. After booting your device into bootloader mode, you need to flash VVMeter. Now copy this command and paste it into command prompt. Now give space and drag the VVmeter RUI 2.0 IMG file into command prompt. Now press enter button to flash it. After VVmeter flashed, now reboot your device into system. It will take some time like 10 to 15 minutes for booting into system. So don't be panic, it's normal for GSI ROMs. Now you can see my device successfully booted into Android 12 based GSI ROMs. If this video helps you, then like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.